Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're learning how to round any integer up to the next multiple of 5 using JavaScript. This is a great little trick for pricing, tallying, or scoring systems. Let's dive into the details and see how it all works. Sometimes, we need to quickly snap a number up to the next 5. This is super common in billing apps, games, and other scoring tools. We'll write a small function to do exactly that. Let's check out the code together. Here's our function. We divide by 5, round up using mathseal, then multiply by 5 again. This gives us the next highest number of 5. Simple, clean, and works with any positive integer. We first divide the number by 5, which gives us a float. Next, we use mathseal to push the number up to the next whole integer. Finally, multiplying it by 5 brings us back to the nearest multiple. It is a new trick that uses simple math. Here are some quick examples. 32 rounds up to 35, 137 rounds up to 140, and 142 to 145. You can see it always pushes up to the next 5. Perfect for pricing and tally situations. This simple rounding trick pops up all over in real world applications. Think about cash registers, scoreboards, or batching products into groups. Whenever you need to round up neatly, this function saves the day. Let's wrap things up. And that's how you round up to the next multiple of 5 in JavaScript. A simple and powerful trick you can use in so many projects. Thanks for watching and coding along. Catch you next time for more awesome JavaScript tips. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.